इन 3 मासूम बच्चों की जान चली गई. But this is not where the story begins. A mother named Lindsay Clancy took lives of her 3 children, 5-year-old Cora, 3-year-old Dawson, and 8-month-old Callan. The headlines called her a monster, but the real story began months before that unfortunate tragic day. Lindsay wasn't just a mother, she was a labor and delivery nurse, a woman who had spent years helping other mothers safely bring their babies into this world. उनका पहला बच्चा होने के बाद she struggled with anxiety, but then she recovered. दूसरा बच्चा होने के बाद वो फिर से एंजाइटी की शिकार हो गई. फिर उन्होंने डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट किया तो उन्होंने कुछ मेडिकेशन उनको दिया जो कि वो नहीं ले सकती थी बिकॉज शी वॉज ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग. तो उन्होंने थेरेपी चूज़ करी, फिर मेडिटेशन किया, उन्होंने हेल्दी ईटिंग करी, उन्होंने एक्सरसाइज करनी शुरू करी और इन सब की मदद से उन्होंने फिर से रिकवरी करी. बट देन शी गेव बर्थ टू हर थर्ड बेबी एंड एवरीथिंग चेंज्ड. एट फर्स्ट शी सीम्ड अनयूजुअली एनर्जेटिक. She woke up at 4 a.m. every single morning, ran for 3 miles and then worked out for another hour, and she started making fitness videos online. बाहर की दुनिया के लिए she looked perfectly motivated, but the people closest to her felt something wasn't right. फिर उन्हें नींद आना बंद हो गई. She wasn't sleeping at all and she was completely exhausted. Simple tasks like showering and getting dressed felt very overwhelming to her. So she knew that something was deeply wrong, and unlike thousands and thousands of women who suffer in silence, she asked for help. She started therapy, she was prescribed medications, and when it made her feel worse, उन्होंने वो भी अपने डॉक्टर को बताया. She went to emergency rooms, she called crisis hotlines, and she even admitted herself into psychiatric program. But she kept on saying that she wasn't feeling better. तो उनकी मेडिकेशंस को एडजस्ट किया गया, फिर चेंज किया गया, फिर एडजस्ट किया. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू हर डिफेंस, नथिंग मेड हर फील बेटर. इंस्टेड हर सिम्टम्स kept getting worse. Until one day, when she told her doctor something that ultimately led to this tragedy. According to Lindsay Clancy's defense, she told her doctor that she was hearing voices. She told her doctors that these voices kept getting louder and louder and kept on telling her that she was a terrible mother, that her children would be better off without her. And eventually, these voices asked her to take their lives. Her defense says that she was suffering from postpartum psychosis, possibly triggered by an undiagnosed bipolar disorder, and had completely lost touch with reality. On January 24, 2023, जब लिंसी के हस्बैंड थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर गए डिनर लेने के लिए, इस दौरान उन्होंने अपने तीनों बच्चों की जान ले ली. Then she swallowed a large amount of her prescribed medication और अपने घर की सेकेंड स्टोरी से नीचे कूद गई, almost 20 feet to the ground. She survived, but the fall left her permanently paralyzed from the waist down. She has never denied taking lives of her 3 children. तो कोर्ट के सामने ये सवाल नहीं है कि उन्होंने ऐसा किया या नहीं, पर सवाल ये है कि ऐसा क्यों किया. Her defense argues that she was legally insane because of postpartum psychosis. और दूसरी तरफ prosecutors argue that she was mentally ill, but she knew exactly what she was doing. इनका फैसला तो खैर कोर्ट में होगा. But this story leaves us with another question. How many mothers have to say something is deeply wrong before postpartum mental health is treated like the medical emergency it can be? Postpartum psychosis is rare, but it is very real. It is different from postpartum depression. It can cause hallucinations, delusions, and a complete break from reality. उन 3 मासूम बच्चों की जान की कीमत तो नहीं चुकाई जा सकती. Nothing can undo that heartbreaking loss. But if there is one lesson we must take from this tragedy, it's this. When a mother keeps asking for help, we cannot afford to stop listening. Save this reel and share it with someone जिनको ऐसा लगता है कि postpartum mental health तो बस आजकल की औरतों के नाटक हैं. Awareness can save lives.